friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. In our channel, we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets that will level up your entertainment experience. As we saw in the video, this camera can record up to 4K 120 fps. So for that we need a faster card, and the card suggested by the camera company is the Sony SDXC UHS2. This is a fast card, and there is also one more series of card that is called the tough card. So if you use the tough card, that will be more better than this card. So this is V60 Class 10 third series card. The same card you also get in Kingston and you also get in SanDisk. SanDisk is Extreme Pro Class 10 card. To record in 4K 120 fps or 60 fps or any other frame rates per second, you need a faster card for recording 4K footages. So Sony recommends this card as a base card. It is SDXC UHS2 card. This is a V60 Class 10. This card is capable of reading 277 megabit per second and write up to 150 megabit per second. This is a M series card, and if you record 4K files in this card of 64 GB, you can record up to 40 minutes max. So we suggest you to get additional cards and keep. Sony also has one more card that is called as tough card, which is more durable than this, but that card is quite expensive. You can also invest in that card. The same card is also available in SanDisk and Kingston. This is a Extreme Pro card from SanDisk. This is a V90 card with UHS speed of Class 3. It can read up to 300 Mbps per second and write up to 260 Mbps per second. You also have one more card from Kingston. It is called Kingston Canvas React Plus. This is also a fast card for recording 4K videos. It is latest UHS standard 2 top of line U3 and V90 speed class card. There are also many other cards where you can check it online for recording 8K and 4K videos. I suggest you to get Sony's card for recording the videos. So let us see inside the box. So once you open the box, there is a card on top, that is 64 GB. There are few paperworks which is there inside the card. So first one is limited warranty for 5 years for US and Canada only. Next we have operating instructions of the SF series. So how to use this card, what to do, what not to do, all this stuff in multiple languages. There is one more limited warranty paper for other countries. So let us see if anything is there for India. For warranty stuff, you'll have to keep this all papers together and keep the box also. So then only warranty is applicable. You have this India's standard customer care number of Sony, or you can log into their website and see. You have a manual in English, says what to do with the card, how to use the card, and what is the operating temperature for the card. It is minus 25 degree to plus 85 degree. This is for France only, where you can recycle the card. So that's all. Nothing is there in the card much. So this is a box of the card which comes from the company. Once we open it, you have the card here. Same what we saw is mentioned on the label here. It is V60 Class 10 version 3 SDXC second UHS2 M series, and read of 277 MB and write of 150 MB. It's 64 GB card. So this is the back side of the card. The other accessory we got is Veloso battery pack for camera. This is NP-FZ100. This is a third party battery for the Sony ZV-E1. The review was good of this, so that's why we bought it. Let me open it. So backside you have some instructions like this product is specially designed for camera. You can pause it and read. Let me get the battery out. So this is the battery details. It is similar to the original battery. We'll see how the life is. I'll give you a review on it once we start using it. So these are the two accessories which we got for the camera. There are a few more accessories which we will get it later on. The last accessory which we got for the lens is the UV filter. It is from Kenko MC Protector Neo. It is 82 centimeter and it is multi-coated. This protector is very useful if you are buying any DSLR or mirrorless or any other lens cameras. Whenever you drop or whenever the lens gets hurt, first thing to get hit is the lens and the glass inside the ring. Defaultly, you should always put this UV protector or MC protector. So let me open it. So this is how the protector looks. It is cleanly arranged in this. So this is the protector. Now let me connect this protector to the lens and show you how to connect it. I have my camera here with the lens attached. I'll just remove this lens cover and take this protector and connect to it. You have a thread here inside the ring. You'll have to screw it there. Just place it like this and rotate it clockwise. Now it is fully secured. Now you can put back your lens cap. So this is the protector for your lens. So whenever your lens get hurts, the first thing you will get hurt is in this place. So if you have this UV filter or the protector, so it will prevent you from the lens getting hurt and this will take the impact. So it is always safety for whatever camera you buy or whatever lens you buy, you get the lens protector or UV protector or MC protector. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share the video with your friends and families. And also you can tell them to see the video. If they like it, they can like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the other interesting content. Thank you. Bye.